Alright, I'm going to pick up on the watch list. This is part 2 of the watch list, and now that I have 10 more minutes that YouTube has graciously spared me, I guess I should talk about some other things here. Now remember, you got to have the correct tools in this market to trade successfully. You can't be greedy. You have to take profits and just build an account. When I was in a little league team, I wasn't the best hitter on the team, but all my coach wanted me to do was get singles. And he goes, you know, that's all we want is singles, singles, singles. And that's what I'm trying to hit in this market, is just singles. I'm not trying to go for the home run. I'm just trying to hit singles. I'm waiting for the setups. I'm having extreme patience. I'm having extreme discipline in taking profits, even though I feel like sometimes I'm giving away things. The market's going to continue up. But if I get into that right mindset, then I can't go wrong. I can't lose, because profits, taking profits, you can't go broke. I mean, that's the law. So I just want to keep on pushing that. I push that on the station every morning. I might talk about it a little too much, but that's because it embeds it in my mind too. It helps me become a better trader if I say it out loud. And a lot of people out there say, yeah, this is actually probably pretty good for you, because it makes you a better trader, because I constantly talk about it. And that's hard, because, you know, I'm a greedy son of a bitch, just like everyone else out there, and I want the best. You know, I want to go for the home run every time too. I want to get my 12 points in Baidu and my things. I might only settle for 2 or 3 points at a time, but you know, that adds up. And you know, when that time comes, and when that market is, you know, everything actually comes together, and I know it's going to be a great bullish day, then I can go for the home run. There's always going to be times that you're going to be able to make good trades in the market, and that's another thing, a big law that I say. Don't be afraid of getting out of the market, getting out of your positions. Because law number 2, or rule number 2, you could always get back in the market, no matter what. If you feel like you made the wrong trade, you just buy it back in. The commissions are so low these days, you don't have to worry about anything. The market shows you it has some strength and it breaks out, then you get back in. There's nothing to lose. Maybe you lose a couple cents on the trade and stuff, but at least you have peace of mind when you get out and you're sticking to your discipline. All right, let's continue on. Next one, AKM. Call this one on this pullback right here off the moving average, of course, and I said the first target would be $40. I called this last week, probably right here, and it actually hit the 40, right under the 40. I might have hit the $40 today. It was 39 and change, you know, 39.80, 39.90. So it looks good right here. I would expect maybe to see a pullback a little, but not much. I do expect this one to go into the gap here and to fill this gap eventually. But an excellent trade. Just watch it closely. Remember, you have some resistance right here at this $40 mark. If this market does decide to sell off a little, you know, you can always get back in it. Just watch it. Just want to say it's hit the target number 1. Next one, NMX. All right, here we go. Another good stock that's consolidating right here at the 130 level. Tried to do a little breakout today. I took profits. It actually popped up right at the morning. I usually take a lot of my profits in the morning, and I let the market come back and play out. And then I actually got in at the end of the day, because I saw this one is giving us some strength, and I like this one. It's just a massive consolidation in this area right here. It's just, you know, a lot of consolidation, and right now we're right in the center of the consolidation at 130. Statistics are heading up. It looks good. I mean, always every couple of weeks a rumor comes out that this one's in talks to merge with some with another exchange, and you know, it's just overall a good thing here. So I'm looking for this one to break out of this area here, get back up of a 130 and continue higher. Should be a pretty easy trade. If it gets above 131, it should actually run pretty good. Probably run to 138. You should probably get a good 4 points on the trade on this one. Nokia was trading that one today nicely. Got that one off the pivot points. It was a beautiful trade. I expect this one to break 40 and continue to make new highs. I think $40 is cheap for this stock. It showed a lot of strength going into the close today. Look at this. Here's actually a good example of the 200-day moving average off a 5-minute chart. A 200-day period, 200 period moving average, not a 200-day moving average. The moving average corresponds to whatever chart you're using. So this would be a 205-minute period. it wouldn't be a daily, it would be a 5-minute period moving average. The last 5-minute period, 205-minute periods, you know what I'm saying. But anyway, this a great technical indicator. You see how this bounces right off the moving average. So this is like textbook right there. You got to go in right there. So look for these things, people. I mean, they're there for you. So I'm looking for Nokia to continue higher. And one last one right now, the one that's coming down into my buy range of is BHI. It's kind of taking a hit, but I like the statistics here in the oversold area, right down here. I would actually watch for a reversal sometime tomorrow. I think the market, if it does gap down, this one gaps down, watch this one closely for any strength, and I think you can get into this one pretty decent here. All right. Watch this one on the 5-minute chart on the 200 period moving average too. All right. So that's it for the watch list. I'm going to actually try to update the website tonight. I haven't gotten too much sleep last day, so that's why I'm getting this thing out early tonight. I do have some oversold stocks that I'll be posting. If I don't get them up on the website, I'll tell you what they are anyway. The oversold stocks that I'm watching are JetBlue, JBLU, Micron Technology, and those two right now. Starbucks actually too, SBUK, SBUX, Starbucks. Looks pretty good at this level. The chart's not the best looking chart, but I still think it's oversold here. Alright, so I'll talk to everyone tomorrow. Don't forget to tune in 8 o'clock pre-market trading, www.DayTraderRadio.com. DayTraderRadio.com. You can email me if you would like any suggestions, comments, questions. You can email me at ironaction@yahoo.com. That's ironaction, the way it sounds, the way you spell it, ironaction @yahoo.com. Good night, everyone, and talk to you tomorrow.